Hello fabric friends, welcome back to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel. For those of you who love pretty fabrics and all things sewing and quilting, you have come to the right place. My name is Melissa and I love teaching what I know about sewing and quilting and getting to show you all the pretty fabrics that AGF comes out with every month. Today's video is celebrating AGF Studios' new fabric collection called Luna Laurel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on another fabric haul video or future sewing tutorial. Want to practice your curved sewing? The Luna Laurel free quilt pattern called Ellipse is a perfect quilt to do just that. To get the link for that pattern and to take a peek at the Luna Laurel fabric lookbook for more sewing projects and sewing inspiration, make sure to check out the description box below. Also, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video for my favorite part of the fabric haul video, where I choose my favorite solids and AGF blenders to mix and match back with the Luna Laurel fabric collection. All right, makers, let's dive into the mystical world of Luna Laurel fabrics. Luna Laurel is available in 14 unique quilting cottons. Simple shades of black, teal, ivory, whites, and pops of orange. This fresh, modern collection will be a perfect addition to your quilting stash. This collection is a breeze to sew with because of its easy-to-use blenders and minimalistic approach on color. With a mysterious Southwestern vibe, Luna Laurel is where spirit and nature connect with botanical and esoteric elements that will let your curious soul wonder. Take a walk amongst the stars with the Stardust print, a rich dark background with glistening lights both near and far. Fussy cut the designs from the esoteric alignment print, or use as a focal point or backing of a quilt. Large-scale florals dance in the darkness of the tinted blooms print. White puffy petals and bright orange centers magically grow among the teal-green foliage. Dark color fabrics never look so delicious and vibrant. Add these prints for a touch of drama and romance. Luna Laurel has the most amazing black and white stencil designs. Graphic brushstroke lines, tiny hourglass shapes, to organic scribbles of the human face. These prints work amazing alone, but also are the greatest blenders to use in your quilting projects. Here is a close-up of the Perfectly Imperfect print, where you can see faces made with the use of one pen stroke. A beautiful artistic design that is simple, yet creates an overall print you can't stop staring at. Nature lovers, this gorgeous branch print is for you. With a crisp white background, choose from a warm tan outline or a bold black outline. This simplistic beauty is such a calm and inviting design that will work for an array of different sewing projects. Small dashed lines going in every direction and tiny dots on a bright orange background are just another example of all the great blenders offered in this collection. The I See You print stands out from the rest, with one-of-a-kind eye motifs scattered across the soft peachy background, measuring out at about 1 inch in size. To add a cool, calming feel to your sewing, here are the teal prints from the collection, with cute little crescent moons to fussy cut and fun graphic illustrations. Each one of these will be hard to resist. No matter how you group these fabrics together, you can't go wrong. With refreshing teals to eye-opening oranges and blacks, enjoy picking your favorites and sewing something new. For garment sewing, try our knit fabric in the I See You print in a deep dark background by sewing up tops and leggings. If flowy pants or dresses are more your style, try sewing with our luxurious soft rayon. It's time to think quilty and choose the matching solids and AGF elements to match back with this collection. I am using Ocean Fog, Spruce, Zambia Stone, Vanilla Custard, Terracotta Tile, Dried Carrot, and Peach Sherbet Pure Solids, Red Desert and Cloud Decostitch, and Jet Onyx Prisma. The magic happens when you're pulling your fabrics for your next sewing project. Maybe you don't have a sewing project in mind, but you just want to play with your fabric for inspiration and to spark a new idea. Luna Laurel fabrics will definitely take you there. To watch more AGF fabric hauls, head to the AGF Fabric Collection playlist. Until next time, happy sewing!